Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip is to clean your air vents. You can get your ducts clean, but if you're not cleaning the actual vents, they can get really dusty and grimy. So even though your ducts might be clean, which we all get those amazing phone calls, do you want your ducts clean? But unless you're cleaning the vents as well, you could be spreading a lot of that dust throughout the rest of your home. And not to mention, if you're not cleaning the vents, you're also forcing your AC to work a little bit, or furnace for that matter, to work a little bit harder. So if you notice that your vents are a little bit dirty, and I'm pretty sure all of our vents are dirty, what you need to do is first do a soft cleaning with grab a vacuum, maybe a vacuum brush, and try to get off as much of that dust and grime. If you're finding that that's not really working for you, you need to get a little bit stronger, I guess, or you need to clean it a little bit better. What you should do is soak a rag in some sort of cleaning product, and you wrap that around a butter knife, and then you go to town on the vents and really clean up all that dust and grime. And you'll see not only your house will probably smell better, but the airflow will be much better as well. So hope you enjoyed this tip. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.